In this video, I'll show you how to purchase USDT on Binance using a debit card. The process is simple, so just follow along step by step. Buying USDT or any other cryptocurrency on Binance is very straightforward, and using your debit card is one of the easiest payment methods available. First, make sure you've already created your account and completed the identity verification process. Without verification, you won't be able to finalize your purchase. I'll demonstrate using the website, but the same steps can be done on the mobile app as well. On the website, hover over the Buy Crypto option. If you're using the mobile app, you can simply search for the coin you want, in this case, USDT. Once you select the option to buy, you'll be able to configure everything. The first step is choosing your local currency. For example, I'll use USD, but you can select euros or any other supported currency worldwide. Then, decide how much you want to spend. Keep in mind, there's usually a minimum. On Binance, it's around $15. If you try to enter less, it won't let you proceed. Next, select the crypto you want to receive, which is USDT. Once you type in the amount you plan to spend in your local currency, Binance automatically converts it into the equivalent in USDT. For example, if I spend $15, I'd receive a little over 14 USDT. Now, the most important part, the payment method. Select Card, Visa or MasterCard. Binance also supports Google Pay, Apple Pay, and other payment methods, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on debit credit cards. When you try to add a new card, Binance may ask you to verify your account again by uploading identification documents, such as a passport or government-issued ID. Once your verification is approved, you can enter your card details like card number, expiration date, and security code and complete the purchase. But from this step forward, the process is very intuitive. After the purchase, you can monitor the market directly on Binance to keep track of your assets. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, consider subscribing to the channel. Most viewers who watch our videos aren't subscribed yet, and by subscribing, you help us continue creating more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.